It's the ultimate waterfront lifestyle, and it can be yours at 117 Osprey Pointe in Kingston, Tennessee. This estate offers 3 bedrooms, 3 baths, 2 half baths, and a spacious 3-car garage with over 5,100 square feet of absolutely luxurious living area. It's centered on an expansive tract of 3.3 acres on the banks of the Tennessee River at Wattsbar Lake. Enter, and you'll be impressed by the attention to modern detail and quality throughout. A wall of glass surrounds you as you're immersed in picturesque views. This is an open floor plan, beginning with the spacious great room. The dining area will accommodate your largest table. The fully equipped island kitchen provides plenty of space for meal prep. It's topped with counters of granite, and it offers a commercial-grade gas range and oven. Just off from the kitchen, a cozy sitting area that's perfect with the TV. There are 2 bedrooms on the main, including this master beneath a cathedral ceiling. The adjoining master bath is complete with dual vanities and an open walk-in shower. Now, downstairs to the basement for your additional bedrooms. The basement is a veritable entertainment center, featuring a very large rec room and a full bar. We've even included a kitchenette to make this a great second living area. You'll enjoy entertaining on the back patio. It's centered by an in-ground mineral water pool. Or take friends boating from your dock as you navigate the main channel of TVA-controlled Wattsbar Lake. With exceptional land area, modern and luxurious planning and construction, and attention to detail on the many appointments throughout, 117 Osprey Pointe in Kingston, Tennessee, in the prestigious Marble Bluff development, awaits your private tour. Call Melissa Davis at Ferguson Realtors Direct at 865-207-1984.